Then 4 chicken fried rice and 1 vegetable chicken vegetable fried rice.
Special masala dosa.
Okay, masala dosa kittu. Illa venda. Then chapati. Okay, then 3 chapati. Then 3 chapati. Okay, then make it 5 chapati. Okay, 5 chapatis and 1 palak paneer. 1 palak paneer. Okay, then potato curry. Potato curry. Venda. Palak paneer. Okay, vegetable curry. Okay, 1 vegetable curry. Then 4 chapatis, 5 chapatis and 1 vegetable curry and 1 green salad. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Okay, okay, then 5 chapatis. Sorry, 5 chicken fried rice. 4 chicken masala dosa. 1 chicken masala dosa. Sada chicken, sada chili chicken, sada dosa. Puri dosa, puri chicken. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞ ചിക്കൻ ദോശ, വാഴയില ചിക്കൻ ഒന്നും വേണ്ട.